All right, team. Today's incident is this one right here. It's coming from offshore from a guy named Adam. Someone ran into the ground with a top drive. Let's check it out. So in the description it says the driller did not have his set point set correctly. So what did he do? He ran straight into the rig floor, and you can see what happened. These bales and elevators right there, they're supposed to be straight, and they got bent, but luckily no one was hurt, and so they had to change them out, and they got back to work. Just a friendly reminder not to trust your relief. Make sure you set and test your own set points when you're going to trip in. All right, have a good one.